welcome to Mademoiselle Vanilla. Today I have a very special guest and his name is...
Alex. Thank you, Donna, for inviting me to your channel.
Okay, Alex, so tell our audience what we are making today.
We are making happy energy balls. They give you loads of happiness and loads of energy. Let's get to it.
Alex, can I go to Donna's YouTube channel if your hair looks like a bird's nest?
Alrighty, let's get started. You need 1 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of ground almonds, half a cup of peanut butter, half a mashed banana, half a tablespoon of ground flax seeds, half a tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you can use dark chocolate chips. Okay, so after you have all of your ingredients prepped, you're gonna add all of them into a bowl. You probably have to scrape the peanut butter after you pour it in because there's probably gonna be a lot of it inside the little bowl still. Next, I add the bananas. I add the ground flax seeds. Then I add the ground almonds. Then I add the chia seeds. Now, last but not least, and my favorite, the chocolate chips. Now, you mix everything together. Once your mixture resembles a sticky dough, you are ready to start rolling it. I forgot. There's one massive rule. Make sure your hands are clean. Now we're ready to roll it into the energy balls. This recipe makes about 18 to 20 Happy Balls. Now, you have to put them into the fridge for a minimum of half an hour.
Wow, Alex, this looks good!
Amazing, we just took it out of the fridge. Let's try it. They're amazing.
I like it, Alex.
Hey Alex, thank you for sharing your wonderful recipe with us.
No, thank you for including me in this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye!
I'm going to be styling Donna's hair for her movie this night.
Cut!
Alex, your hair looks like a bird's nest.
Cut!
Alex, you can't go to Donna's episode. Wow, Alex, not bad.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
So good!
Alex, fire!
Oh my god!
Cut! Make you have a ton of energy.
Are you gonna
For inviting me to your channel.
You're welcome.